In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files or folders using Dropbox. Whether you're working on a collaborative project or simply need to share important documents, Dropbox makes it incredibly easy to connect with others by offering options to share files and folders with just a few clicks. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure everything is perfectly clear. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Dropbox.com. If you haven't already, log into your account by entering your email address and password, or use the Sign In with Google option if that's how your account is set up. When you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Dropbox dashboard. At this point, you can choose to proceed either through the web interface or by using the Dropbox desktop app if it's installed on your computer. Both versions offer similar steps, so feel free to pick whichever is more comfortable for you. Next, direct your attention to the files and folders visible on your main page. These could be personal documents, work-related files, or any other digital items you've organized in your Dropbox. Now find the specific file or folder you'd like to share. For those using the web interface, simply navigate through your directories until you locate it. If you're using the desktop app, open it up and browse through your folders as you would normally. Once you've identified the file or folder you'd like to share, direct your gaze to the right-hand side where you'll spot the Share button. Click on it and this will prompt a new window or menu to pop up, giving you various sharing options to choose from. Now you'll want to select the option that says Can Add People. This is where you'll input either the email address or the Dropbox username of the person or people you wish to share this file or folder with. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure that your chosen recipients can access the files without any trouble. As you type, Dropbox may automatically display suggestions based on your previous sharings or contacts already known to you. After typing in the appropriate email addresses or names, take a moment to review your choices. When you're satisfied, go ahead and click the Share button again to finalize your decision. Dropbox will instantly send a notification to the designated recipients, complete with a direct link to the file or folder you're sharing. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your files or folders using Dropbox with ease and efficiency. This method is perfect for fostering collaboration or simply ensuring that important documents are easily accessible. Keep practicing these steps, and sharing files will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful.